Hello and good evening, everybody. I come to you again this time to bring you some information, some updates, and some everyday procedures and policies that we need to follow. In one of our weekly conference calls yesterday with the county executive, county supervisors and mayors, and other county officials, we were given some statistics. Unfortunately, our death toll has risen to 8 or 9 people, all positive with the coronavirus throughout the county. There are over 700 cases that are positive throughout Dutchess County. And as of today, with the update, our town of Dover has 12 positive cases. The executive also stated that we are looking at, based on data, 2 to 3 weeks before we hit the peak of the so-called curve. That means that we are looking at the end of May, June timeframe before we start heading down on the backside of that curve, before it slows down, heading for hopefully a regular daily routine when this is all said and done. The executive also has handed down directives to its Department of Health to stop issuing certain permits until the end of June. Certain things will be camps, both private and municipal, seasonal pools, towns, parks, campgrounds. That means that the county is looking towards a June or July timeframe before they feel things will start heading in a regular direction. For additional information and statistics and data, please remember to contact dutchessny.gov or its hotline at the health department, 486-3555. You can also get all the updates at our Town of Dover website, which is townofdoverny.us, or our Facebook pages. We post information daily. Our town staff and departments will continue to work at half-staff or from home, including our rec department and our highway department. Buildings will remain locked to residents. We ask you that you email or you call to try to conduct any type of business. I continue to participate in all the conference calls as well as my staff and certain board members if available. We will continue to share all the information that we receive, all the updates, all the data, the new protocols and procedures that they recommend. If it is sent to us, it will be sent to you for your access, to obtain the information, to learn it, to do it. There are things that we need to do, protocols that we need to follow to help us, to help you and your family and your neighbors. It will all be posted on social media, as well as DTV and our websites. Please check on your family, your friends, your neighbors, and especially our senior citizens. Our rec director, Terry Potasic, has her staff checking on our senior group that usually meets twice a week, has them checking on them to make sure they're all fine, to see if they need anything. We have brought them some supplies. We have brought them some meds. As of date, we don't know of any problems. That is a good thing. I wish them all well. Our town clerk's office has also checked on our seniors by using its licensing lists. The example being our dog licensing lists. We use that to check on our seniors as well as other residents that we know of. We have started a list at the town hall of people, of groups, organizations that are willing to help, volunteer, and come out and help us do whatever we need them to do, if and when needed. We're now conducting all of our discussions and meetings by conference calls mainly. Our emergency action plan team has met twice. We are all on the same page. We are up to date. They are included in all of my updates to everybody. I've talked to our fire chief. He is up to speed with myself and our deputy and our board. He checks in with Northern Dutchess paramedics. We check on them regularly to make sure that they are all okay. If you hear or if you know of anybody that needs the help, please reach out to us. We will get them the help that they need. Please remember and follow the suggestions that have been given to us. If you feel sick, if you have any of the symptoms, please call your medical provider first. Let them know what you're experiencing, and they will then ask you the questions, the protocol to determine whether you should be coming in to be tested or not. Our local medical providers and our EMS services, they are doing all they can. They are tired. They are stressed. They are stressed out. They need to be told thank you. They deserve every thank you that we give them. But they continue to do the job as tired and as stressed and as busy as they are. We owe them a big thank you, and I thank them very much. Continue to keep the social distancing. Wash all flat surfaces, your doorknobs, your light switches, your car handles. Wash your hands frequently for a minimum of 20 seconds. But most of all, and we cannot stress this the most, please, please stay home. If there is no reason to go out, please stay home. Go out only when necessary. Supplies, medicines. If you're an essential worker, your gas to get back and forth to work. Get it on your way to work or on your way home. When you go out to do something and you get home, take off your clothes, shower. Maintain the hygiene recommendations that we have been given. Get what you need. Come back home. The next 4 to 6 weeks are going to be frustrating. It's going to be hell. But we need to keep doing what we are told to do. It is the only way that we can flatten the curve. And please, please, if you go out shopping or you go out to get gas and you use your gloves, which is a very smart thing to do, take them off before you get in your car. Discard of them properly in the garbage cans that are provided at the location. If there are none on that location, bring a Ziploc baggie. Put them in, seal the baggie, and throw them away properly. By throwing them on the ground, you are taking the chances of infecting somebody else who may pick them up. Please do the right thing. Do the right thing and throw them out the right way. If we follow what is suggested and keep up on all the information and the updates that we provide, we will get through this. We will get through this as a team of elected officials, town staff and directors, volunteers, organizations, family, friends, and your neighbors. One team from the north end of town to the south end of town. One team, one town, the town of Dover. I came across a quote. I've been saying quotes in this to try to keep the spirits lifted. But Winston Churchill once said, when you're going through hell, keep going. And I take that and I feel it means if you keep going, you will find the end of the tunnel. You will see that light at the end of the tunnel and you will exit. So when you're going through hell, keep going. This is everyone's hell right now, ladies and gentlemen. We are going through something that is uncharted, and we will make it. We will get through it. Please remember, we are Dover. We are strong, and we are Dover strong. Please be well, be safe, and most of all, I hope and pray that you all stay healthy. Good night, everybody. God bless. Thank you.